The shocking truth about the deadliest air raid in history. Operation Meetinghouse, the firebombing of Tokyo on March 9th to 10th, 1945, was the deadliest air raid in history. Carried out by the U.S. Army Air Forces during World War II, it involved 334 B-29 bombers dropping incendiary bombs on the densely populated city. The resulting firestorm destroyed 16 square miles of Tokyo, killing an estimated 100,000 civilians in a single night and leaving over 1 million homeless. The bombs created a sea of flames, with temperatures reaching 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit, 908 degrees Celsius, causing unimaginable destruction. The raid significantly impacted Japan's war effort and civilian morale, contributing to the eventual Japanese surrender.